How to use Lifewave X39 to reverse COPD. Hi, I'm Alan Warnitz, a nutrition expert, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into how Lifewave X39 can be a game changer for those struggling with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. If you or someone you know is dealing with COPD, emphysema, or chronic bronchitis, and you're seeking a natural way to improve lung health and functionality, stay tuned. I'll explain how Lifewave X39 works and how it can help you. COPD is a group of progressive lung diseases that cause obstructed airflow from the lungs, making it difficult to breathe. It encompasses conditions like emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Traditional treatments focus on managing symptoms and slowing progression. But what if there was a way to actually support lung repair and regeneration? Lifewave X39 is a stem cell activation patch that has been shown to stimulate the body's own stem cells. These patches are designed to activate your body's natural healing processes, potentially reversing damage and promoting overall health. So how does Lifewave X39 can help you with COPD? Number one, it promotes lung tissue repair. Lifewave X39 can aid in repairing damaged lung tissue. The stem cell activation in X39 encourages the production of new healthy lung cells, which can improve lung function over time. Number two, it reduces inflammation. COPD is often accompanied by inflammation in the airways. X39 helps to reduce inflammation by activating pathways that regulate immune responses and repair damaged tissues. 3. Enhances oxygen utilization. Improved cellular health means better oxygen utilization. With X39, the enhanced cell function can contribute to better oxygen exchange in the lungs, leading to easier breathing and less shortness of breath. 4. Supports overall healing. By using X39, you're supporting the body's natural healing mechanisms. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with COPD, as the patches can help to repair and regenerate lung tissue that has been compromised by the disease. How do you use Lifewave X39 for COPD? 1. Application. Place the Lifewave X39 patch on clean, dry skin. Recommended locations include the back of the neck, below the collarbone, or on the area of the lung. 2. Consistency is key. For optimal results, use the patches consistently as directed. Regular use can help to maximize the benefits and support long-term lung health. 3. Monitor and adjust. Track your symptoms and consult with your healthcare provider regularly. Adjust your use of the patches based on your progress and their recommendations. Real-life success stories. Many people have reported significant improvements in their lung health and overall well-being with the help of Lifewave X39. These stories highlight the potential of this innovative approach to support COPD management. If you're ready to explore how Lifewave X39 can benefit you, I encourage you to try it for yourself. For a personalized approach, consider booking a free 30-minute health consultation with me. I'll guide you on how to integrate X39 into your health routine effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on health and wellness. You can visit my channel to view a host of health-related videos where I share nutritional tips and practical information to improve your health and wellness with nutrition. Remember to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from it, and feel free to leave your questions or comments below. For more information on Lifewave X39 and other health tips, check out my playlist on stem cell activation and natural health remedies.